It took Thomas Edison 2,000 times to create the light bulb. In other words, he failed 2,000 times before he reached success. And soon after Edison revealed his invention, the young reporter came over to him and asked, "Mr. Edison, how does it feel to fail 2,000 times?" Upon this, Edison smiled and replied, "Young man, I actually never failed even once. It just happened to be a 2,000-step process to create the light bulb." Well, the answer is very inspiring and motivating. But actually, what does it actually mean that he never ever failed? In this week's Parshat, Parshat Metzora, we learn of the person who was inflicted with a skin disease, tsaras, and because of his spiritual impurity, he has to be sent out of the machane, the camp, for the whole week. And at the end of the cleansing process, the Torah tells us that this person has to go to the mikveh. Sefer HaChinuch explains that the reason why Torah commands him to go to the mikveh is to give them a feeling of freshness. Now, you're going to go back to your normal life. You're going to go back to the camp. And you did something very, very wrong. But don't focus on your wrongdoing. Rather, learn the message and move on. And maybe that can help us to understand Edison's answer. Now, he really failed 2,000 times. But instead of focusing on the failure, he was always looking ahead to see how he can actually achieve greatness. So perhaps in our life, when I'm facing challenges, instead of focusing on failure, take time and to see how we can improve ourselves and to see a clear vision where we're heading in order to achieve success. Thank you very much and a wonderful Shabbos.